Hey besties, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. So in today's video, I am doing my, she room slash closet area. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I wanted to turn like an extra bedroom into like a space of my own, but I wasn't quite sure on what I wanted to do with it. So it took me a while. But finally, I started decorating and I think I kind of got it all together. I wanted it to be like an office slash chill slash just an area for me to just come and relax in. So in today's video, I'm just going to be taking you guys on a little tour, just showing you what I have so far and what I have accomplished in this room. So if you're interested, please stick around. I would love it if you would. If you aren't already, please consider subscribing. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about my new she room, I guess. I don't even know what to call it. I'm gonna just stick with she room, okay? Please stick around. Please continue to watch and hopefully you enjoy it. But most importantly, I hope that you do find some inspiration to decorate any space in your home as you may see fit. Without further ado, let's get this video popping. So this is what you see when you first walk into the room. As you can tell, it's not a huge room, but definitely big enough to make something out of. When decorating this room, I really wanted to represent my relaxed and chic personality. I think I have mentioned this before, but I don't really know my correct term of design style. I honestly just like what I like and then cross my fingers and hope that it all goes. And in my honest opinion, that, my dear, is the definition of style. I decided to go with the mauve and pink colors with accents of like gold, white, and black, all really neutral colors. Y'all know how I do it. Make it cute and keep it simple. This room just makes me smile because I never really had my own space. So when I come in here, I'm just so glad and proud that I've created like a really peaceful space for myself. In the mornings, I now have a place to go to and just do some work and relax. I help my husband out with his business, so I do a lot of work for him in here, as well as my editing and other things that I'm working on in this room. Having a designated space helps clear your mind and helps you to stay focused on whatever task you're working on. I like to light a candle and I'll have Alexa play some relaxing music and I'll just vibe out while I'm just getting some work done. I had to share this beautiful acrylic tray. This baby comes in handy all around the house. I use it sometimes in bed, but mostly when I'm sitting up in the chair and I want to relax a little more while doing some work.
Take off your mask, yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night, all night. Imagine us there.
This floral pillow cover I purchased from IKEA and this big comfy pink chair from Walmart. Guys, I will have everything linked below in the description box just in case anyone is interested. This champagne writing desk is perfect for me. I love the glass top and the metallic finishes. It gives a small touch of glam. I didn't want to overcrowd it, so I did just add like a few touches of like decor pieces, but of course functional pieces such as my coffee with this coffee mug that I am absolutely obsessed with. A remote box, a candle, my planner, and then on the other side you saw that I had like a vase with some pampas grass.
To be so damn polite.
course, I needed some storage, and this small dresser chest does the job. I swapped out the original handles for these acrylic drawer pulls just to give the dresser a small upgrade. On top of my dresser are just some of my few perfumes. I want to start like upping my fragrance game, so I'm starting off with these. If y'all have any like perfumes that are just an absolute must, please leave them below in the description box and I will definitely check them out. And I just added them on top of this gold tray that I found from Hobby Lobby. I also found these two pictures from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were just so cute and they really went with the color scheme that I was going for. These printed velvet curtains are from Amazon. I think all of my curtains are from Amazon, but I just love the nice print on them. They are blackout curtains, perfect for like some much needed privacy when I'm changing my clothes. You're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for me, done for me. To decorate my walls a little, I added these wicker wall baskets. They are so cute and the perfect wall decor. I'm still looking for something, if anything, to go above my chair. I'm not afraid of empty wall space, so right now I'm really cool with the empty wall. I found these ottomans at Target. They come in handy when I'm just like putting on my shoes, but I usually just throw my purse on top of them. They are like a brown velvet with like a wood bottom. I originally purchased it because I wanted it to go in my entryway, but they were just a little bit too tall, so I bought them up here and I think they work perfect for the space. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys did enjoy this room tour just as much as I did enjoy sharing it with you all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Take care, stay happy, bye-bye.